Say hello, Poppy. Hello. It's your Poppy, and it's Anakin. I love you. You can watch this when Poppy's traveling on the road, and that way you always have Poppy there to see you. Yes, you will. There's Anakin and Poppy. I miss you, and I love you. Can't wait till I get back and see you again. Yes, I will. And then we'll go for a ride in Poppy's car, and we'll watch some videos, and we'll play chase and play with the doggies and the kitty cat and do all kinds of neat things. Just you and me for Poppy and Anakin. Poppy and Anakin. Poppy and Anakin. Poppy and Anakin. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Yes, Jesus loves me, the Bible tells me so. You got two bunnies that sing that, don't you? Ooh, and great-grandma's got some gifts for you when we go see her. You're going to be so happy. Yes, you will. I love you. You be good, and you think of Grandpa and dream of him, because Poppy's always thinking and dreaming of you. And I can't wait until I see you again, my little Anakin and Poppy.